Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am your Rahul. So I posted the exam tips for T4 Spring Boot. So in that video I explained almost every topic regarding Ninja 2 Digital Candidate. So in this video I am going to share regarding Innovator. So many people who needs to uh, jump from digital to Innovator, they ping me like for how the question pattern will be and what all things they have to do in the hands-on exam. So for them, I created one question which is almost similar to the hands-on. The main thing for innovators means those who are going to attend innovator challenge. Main thing you have to write all the things like repository, everything they will give the files and all, but what you have to do is you have to write the uh, logics inside the uh, files like for digital candidates they will give repository and all. For you they there is no possibility that much for giving the full code in repository also. So you have to fill all those things in repository, as well as sometimes you have to connect the db part, like in some cases we have to particularly write some db operations in our repository in order to make some test cases run. Also uh, these annotations, and uh, we have to make sure some entities many to one in these type of things might be we have to do for innovator candidates. So for in that mode I created one question. It's a job portal app creation. In that I made up to four tables, like, which means I tried to make it somewhat complex because uh, the remaining things like whatever question that I shared for T4 Spring Boot, those things that also might become for innovator, but you have to write some more things like the repository part, some additional things you have to write in the questions that I shared before. So why I am sharing this one, because if you understand some complex problems, how those are resolving, then it will be easy for you to crack the simple ones. In that way, I created this problem. So this is the question that I prepared. So campus job portal, which we have to connect the student and the companies for job opportunities, and the tables are user, then skill, job skill, and application. These are the various tables that we are using in our job portal question. And we have one initial data. So here you will have the uh, data loader for uh, this initial data and all. So with respect to that, it will use, and you have some requirements. It's a normal thing whenever we go on some question, one question, you will get the requirements like how the JWT needs to pass and what all things it's required. Like that, it's available, and uh, it's almost 26 test cases are available in the job portal question. So I checked everything, and this is the skeleton code, and here I have the solution code which I uh, tested and all. So everything works fine. And if you have any query regarding this or get any issue while running this problem or any doubt regarding how the codes are implemented, you can feel free to ping me. I will give the source code link in the description. You can fetch it from there. So that's it. See you in next video. Till that, happy coding.